Alright boys, I'm back with another cheeky little video here. I haven't uploaded for about a month because I just haven't had any money to do any mods, to be honest. But yeah, like I've finally saved up a little bit of money and I bought myself a cheeky little rear diffuser splitter, whatever you want to call it. And I think it looks quite sexy, to be honest. I need the side skirts and that, like in the front splitter, to like make it all look good, and like a little roof spoiler or something. But for now it looks kind of decent, right? There's a little shot of it there. A shot of it from like down like that. Just sticks out a little bit, looks good. I prefer it if it was lighter, but it's hard catching, like getting time when it's light, because by the time I finish work it's dark, so it's an absolute nightmare. But I've got some little photos and like a little video from the day of when I installed it, and it was light when I installed it, luckily. So I'll add them over the top. But yeah, to install it, all I did was take the bumper off, and I'll leave a link in the description to how to take the bumper off. It's a lad called Tweed Bean, I think it was, who did the demonstration. It's easy enough, and I wouldn't be scared to try it if I was anybody out there, because it's so easy, it's unbelievable. I've never ever done it before. Did it a day. It took me probably about 15 minutes to take the bumper off. So yeah, well worth it, and it's a lot easier because to get this on you have to bolt it on as well. So like nut and bolt or whatever. So you can't really do it while it's on the car, while the bumper's on the car. So it's just a lot easier taking it off and doing it. So I definitely recommend doing that. But yeah, I'll leave a link to his video in the description if anybody needs it or anything like that. But yeah, I think it looks quite cool. But yeah, catch you in a bit, boys.